Something wild is happening on YouTube right now and hardly anyone's talking about it. A brand new niche just exploded out of nowhere and it's pulling in millions of views like it's nothing. I'm talking about channels going from 0 to monetized in just a week. Seriously, check this out. This channel gained over 453,000 subscribers with only 31 videos. And even more, this one skyrocketed to nearly 1.5 million subscribers and racked up over 200 million views. Yeah, it sounds unreal, but it's happening. What's even crazier? These channels are making about $100,000 every month. What's going on? This new content style is blowing up on YouTube, and the secret sauce? These videos hit people emotionally. That makes them super engaging, so viewers stick around longer. And YouTube's algorithm, it eats that up, then pushes the videos out to millions. But here's the best part. These videos are ridiculously easy to make. Why? Because AI does almost all the work. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can do the same thing using DeepSeek AI and some powerful tools. Even if you've never made a video before, by the end of this, you'll know how to launch your own faceless YouTube channel, one that has real potential to take off. So get comfy and lock in. I'm about to give you the exact blueprint, no fluff. Let's start from scratch. Step 1, creating your channel. First, fire up DeepSeek and ask it to help you brainstorm channel names, but don't just wing it. Use the exact prompt I'm about to show you for the best results. I'll drop all the prompts I use in my free Telegram group, link below, so you can follow along easily. Once you hit generate, DeepSeek AI will give you a bunch of unique name ideas that actually make sense for your niche. Pick your favorite. I will go with number 10, Timeless Fireside, then open youtube.com. At the top right corner, click on that icon, then select Create Channel button. Next, enter your channel name and the channel username. Then scroll down and click Create Channel, and just like that, your YouTube channel has been created. Then move on to the next step, writing your channel description. Now, ask DeepSeek AI to craft a professional, natural-sounding description. Make sure to include your chosen channel name in the prompt so it feels tailored. Click Generate again, and boom, you've got a solid, non-robotic description that'll help your channel stand out. Copy it. Next, head back to the YouTube channel you created, click on Customize Channel, then scroll down to description, paste the channel description you copied from DeepSeek AI, then click Publish. Cool, your channel's starting to take shape. Now let's make it look good. Time to create a logo. In that same DeepSeek chat, ask it to write a detailed image prompt for your logo. This will feed into a tool called Piclumen AI. Again, I'll show you the exact prompt that works best. Once DeepSeek gives you the prompt, head over to Piclumen AI. Click on Create. Choose the Piclumen art model. Trust me, it gives the cleanest logos, and set the dimensions to 1 by 1. Perfect square format for YouTube. Paste in your prompt, hit generate, and in about 10 seconds, you'll see some custom logo options that actually look good. Pick the one you like, download it, and let's move on. Now go back to your YouTube channel, click on the upload button next to picture, upload the logo, and publish. That's it. You're officially in the game. You can see our channel already look very okay. Creating your script, and this part, this is where the magic starts to happen. In the next section, I'll show you a simple but powerful trick to write scripts that actually go viral. So stick around because this next part might just change everything for you. Alright, now here's where things get interesting. Go to one of the top performing channels in your niche, then open up their most popular videos. Click on one with a high view count. This is the kind of content we want to study. Once you're on the video page, hit the share button below the video and copy the link. Next, head over to a tool called Nada AI, and trust me, this tool is a game changer. It's one of the best free AI tools out there for turning videos or audio into clean, accurate text. I've dropped the link to Nada AI in the description of this video, so go ahead and click on it and sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click Upload and Transcribe, then paste the YouTube link you just copied into the link section. Hit Confirm, then click Next. Make sure you select English as the language and finally click Upload and Transcribe. In just a few moments, Nada will give you the full transcript of the video. How cool is that? Now here's where Nada really shines. You're not just getting a basic transcript, Nada delivers an ultra-accurate transcription with a 98% plus accuracy rate, even when the audio quality isn't perfect or the speaker has a strong accent. It's designed to handle all that and still give you clean, usable text. But that's not all. Once your transcript is ready, you can actually chat with it. Yep, Nada has an AI chat feature built in, so you can ask questions about the content, summarize it, or pull key takeaways instantly. It's like ChatGPT, but focused entirely on the video you uploaded. So once your transcript is ready, go ahead and open up the AI Summary or Ask AI tab and start interacting with your content directly. This saves a ton of time and makes researching or repurposing content way more efficient. And if you want to take it a step further, copy that transcript and head over to DeepSeek AI. Paste the script into the input box, then use the exact prompt I'm using. You'll find it in the Telegram group linked below. Click Generate and let DeepSeek create a fresh original version of the script you just studied, and honestly, the results are impressive. The script reads naturally, it hits the emotional beats, and it's designed to keep people watching. Alright, so now that your YouTube channel is fully branded and you've got a great script ready, it's time to bring your story to life with visuals. The first step, generating image prompts. Open up DeepSeek AI and ask it to create detailed visual prompts for each scene in your script. It only takes a few seconds, and you'll get a list of clear, descriptive prompts that perfectly match your story. Now, copy one of those prompts and head over to Leonardo AI. This tool is amazing for generating high-quality images fast. Paste the prompt into the input box and hit Generate. Within moments, your image will be ready and it'll look absolutely stunning. If you like what you see, go ahead and download it, then just repeat the same process for the rest of your prompts until you have all your images ready. Now for the fun part, turning those images into videos. We'll be using a powerful tool called Vidoo AI. It's one of the easiest and most effective platforms for creating faceless videos, and I've linked it in the video description for you. Once you open Vidoo AI, select the image to video feature, upload one of the images you created with Leonardo AI, and enter a short prompt to guide the animation. When everything looks good, click Generate, and in no time, your animated video clip will be ready. Preview it, and if you're happy with it, just download it. Repeat this step for all your other visuals, but we're not stopping there. Let's take it up a notch by adding voiceover. For this, we'll use a tool called DubDub AI, a fantastic voiceover generator that produces super realistic, human-sounding voices. The link is in the description. Go ahead and sign up, then from the dashboard, click on AI voiceover. Now go back and grab the script we created earlier in DeepSeek AI and paste it into DubDub. You'll see a wide selection of voice options, filter by language, accent, gender, age, and more. Preview a few voices, find one that fits your story perfectly.
Hello. Let's turn ideas into...
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess...
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring...
Then click Select. Once you're ready, hit Export, and DubDub will automatically turn your script into a polished voiceover. Pretty cool, right? Now for the final step. Putting everything together to create your complete video. We'll be using CapCut for this. It's a free and beginner-friendly video editing tool that's packed with useful features. Open CapCut and click New Project. Import all your files, the video clips from Vidoo and the voiceover from DubDub. Arrange them in the timeline to match your story. Next, add captions using CapCut's built-in auto captions feature. You can pick from different styles and templates to match your video's vibe. Want to take it even further? Add background music and sound effects. CapCut has a solid library of both. And don't forget to use transitions between scenes to keep your video smooth and engaging. Once everything looks good, hit export, and just like that, your video is ready to go live on YouTube. If you made it this far, congrats. You now have all the tools and steps to create high-quality, faceless YouTube videos from scratch. No filming, no editing headaches, and a real shot at going viral. If this video helped you out, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future content packed with money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.